Hi, good people. Nice to meet you again. Today, Balloon Kids the channel will show you how to make a platypus balloon. Let's prepare the balloon one by one. This is the sample for the platypus balloon. Like you see, we use more than one pieces of balloon here, and please preparing one by one. Okay, we start make for the eyes that's white color. Just make it a double side of a fingers bubble, and the size is about 4 fingers bubble. Then tie the balloon, make it tidy by cutting the rest of that balloon. Alright, so just leave for a while the eyes, and now get ready with the brown color. Get the brown color, we take some size that's about 3 or maybe 4 fingers, about 4 fingers bubble, and we make it a loop twisting. To loop twisting here, we need about 3 pieces. So make sure you make it the same size with the first. Okay, so this is for the third one. And after we get 3 pieces of a loop twisting, so for the rest of that balloon, we can discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon and lock the twisting. Okay, leave for a while, and now get ready the blue color at once with the eyes that we have done in the first balloon. And the eyes, we are going to wrap that with the blue color. So the blue color, this will be for the head part. Make sure you lock the twisting by twist and tie the nozzles of that balloon. Okay, now take some size, about 4 or maybe 5 fingers bubble. Then next again with the loop twisting. So the loop twisting here will be about 4 fingers bubble, and we make it 2 pieces. We make it in the same size. Okay, make it tidy and cut the rest of that balloon. Okay, and this is the second balloon for the blue color. After we tied and we twist that with the first part, and then we start take some size, twist that fingers bubble about 6 maybe. Yep, I think it's 5 to 6 fingers, and then again we make a loop twisting. But here the loop twisting will be bigger than the first we have make it. If the first we make about 4 fingers bubble, on the second we make it about 5 fingers bubble. Okay, now we get the brown color again. So 2 pieces blue color, 2 pieces of a brown color. Here's the brown color, we make it a loop twisting. Okay, after we get it, and for the rest of the balloon, we can discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. And now, the brown color, we twist it in between of loop twisting in on below. And then to get the shape, we can paint the brown color, and after that we give some pressure. And this is for the small of a loop twisting. Just now we make it in the first. We twist that on the neck of the platypus balloon. Okay, for the part of the body we have complete, and that's done already. Okay, after we adjust for the position, and then we mark for the eyes, just make a bold circle, use your marker. Okay, so this is it, the platypus balloon. I hope you get your platypus balloon, and after that you can use that to be your toys and ask your younger brother or your younger sister to playing that. Alright, for everyone, so we'll see you again with the next video. Please don't forget to support us. Click the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. We'll see you again with Balloon Kids the channel. Bye bye.